Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom widgets in Redmi 13C device. Guys, first of all, I have to tell you that we have default widgets in this mobile phone, but these are not too much good looking. So for the other customized widgets, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store and then search for widget here. So on the very top, we have an application color widget app iWidget. So just install this application and open this. This application may contain apps. Okay, so these are the widgets. So all you guys have to do just select anyone. So I am selecting this one so that the widget will be enabling. So as you guys see, the widget will be enabled very easily. Let me show you again. All you guys have to do just go to the application and select the widget so that the widget will be selected. Now let's see. So as you guys see, the widget is now added to the home screen. So this is how we can add customized widget in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.